Next, what is a verb, everyone? A verb is a word that shows action or state. It tells us what someone does, what is happening, or what something is. In fact, every sentence needs a verb. Without a verb, the sentence is not complete. Alright? Now, let us look at the types of verbs. First, action verbs. These show what we do. For example, run, eat, study, write. In the sentence, she runs every day. Runs is the action. So action verbs show movement or activity. I hope everyone understands about this part. Next, linking verbs. These are different. They do not show action. They show a state or condition. For example, she is happy. Here is connects the subject to information about her. We also use verbs like feel, seem, and become. They describe a condition, not an action. Isn't that clear, everyone? I hope you understand about this part clearly. Let us move on. Now, helping verbs, also called auxiliary verbs. They help the main verb. For example, she is running. Here, is helps running. Okay? So is called helping verb in the sentence. So remember, helping verbs help us show time and form different tenses. Okay? Next, modal verbs. These are very useful, everyone. We use them to show ability, possibility, permission, or advice. For example, she can swim. It means ability. You should study. It means an advice. Remember, everyone, modal verbs make our meaning more specific. I hope you understand clearly about this part, everyone. Now, take note this part, everyone. Every sentence must have at least one verb. Verbs also show time, past, present, and future. And verbs can change form. Let us look at some simple structures below. She plays. It is in the present. She is playing. It means the action is happening now. She played. It means the action is in the past. She will go. It is in the future. So you can see how verbs change depending on time, isn't it? Alright, so I hope you understand. So remember, everyone, verbs are very important because they tell us what is happening in the sentence. Without verbs, we cannot express actions, states, or time. And that makes verb one of the most important parts of English. I hope everyone understands clearly about this part.